Who invented the telephone? A. Alexander Graham Bell. B. Thomas Edison. C. Nikola Tesla. Correct answer: A. Alexander Graham Bell. Who is known for the theory of relativity? A. Isaac Newton. B. Galileo Galilei. C. Albert Einstein. Correct answer: C. Albert Einstein. What did Marie Curie discover? A. Penicillin. B. Electricity. C. Radioactivity. Correct answer: C. Radioactivity. Who developed the first vaccine? A. Louis Pasteur. B. Edward Jenner. C. Joseph Lister. Correct answer: B. Edward Jenner. Who proposed the laws of motion? A. Galileo Galilei. B. Isaac Newton. C. Albert Einstein. Correct answer: B. Isaac Newton. What did Nikola Tesla invent? A. AC motor. B. Light bulb. C. Radio. Correct answer: A. AC motor. Who is known as the father of modern chemistry? A. Antoine Lavoisier. B. Robert Boyle. C. John Dalton. Correct answer: A. Antoine Lavoisier. What did Charles Darwin propose? A. Theory of relativity. B. Theory of evolution. C. Quantum mechanics. Correct answer: B. Theory of evolution. Who discovered penicillin? A. Louis Pasteur. B. Alexander Fleming. C. Marie Curie. Correct answer: B. Alexander Fleming. Who is known for the laws of heredity? A. Gregor Mendel. B. Charles Darwin. C. James Watson. Correct answer: A. Gregor Mendel. What did Thomas Edison invent? A. AC motor. B. Light bulb. C. Television. Correct answer: B. Light bulb. Who is known for the periodic table? A. Dmitri Mendeleev. B. Albert Einstein. C. Marie Curie. Correct answer: A. Dmitri Mendeleev. Who discovered the structure of DNA? A. James Watson. B. Francis Crick. C. Rosalind Franklin. Correct answer: A. James Watson. Who formulated the laws of planetary motion? A. Johannes Kepler. B. Isaac Newton. C. Galileo Galilei. Correct answer: A. Johannes Kepler. What did Richard Feynman contribute to? A. Nuclear physics. B. Quantum mechanics. C. Astrophysics. Correct answer: B. Quantum mechanics. Who invented the first practical microscope? A. Zacharias Janssen. B. Anton van Leeuwenhoek. C. Robert Hooke. Correct answer: A. Zacharias Janssen. Who is known for the concept of the survival of the fittest? A. Charles Darwin. B. John Baptiste Lamarck. C. Gregory Mendel. Correct answer: A. Charles Darwin. Who invented the first vaccine for rabies? A. Louis Pasteur. B. Edward Jenner. C. Robert Koch. Correct answer: A. Louis Pasteur. Who is known for the discovery of the electron? A. James Chadwick. B. J.J. Thomson. C. Ernest Rutherford. Correct answer: B. J.J. Thomson. Which scientist developed the first successful polio vaccine? A. Alexander Fleming. B. Edward Jenner. C. Jonas Salk. Correct answer: C. Jonas Salk.